G'day guys, on today's episode of Skids Automotive, we're working on my brand new Vt Ss Commodore. So obviously it's got the 5 litre whopping out a mighty 192 kilowatts at the rear wheels, except she's not running. This car has been sitting in a paddock since 2017. The fuel, we've replaced the fuel filter already and everything like that, and we've just got to rotate the distributor. It is back here, and then once we've got that rotated, the car should start, hopefully, crossing the fingers. Let's get right into it. So, where I last left off, I was unbolting the air intake manifold. That is now all off. But right now, I'm going to put a halt on that, as I don't really have the brain power to work on the engine at the moment. So, we're going to gut the interior now. And we're going to get that looking all spicy. Alright, so we've got the rears out. Now we're going to do the fronts. I am going to do the fronts off camera, as I forgot to charge the camera the other day. This is also 4 days after I started doing the engine. So camera's about to die. So I'm going to pop the camera on charge while I take the front seats out, and I'll get back to you once they're out. Alright guys, so I've just got the front seats out of the car. Accidentally locked the door on myself. It's a feature, trust me. But as I already said to Andrew before, the car is paying me back. Look at that, getting free coins. Now, I know I haven't showed you around the car completely, but she's on stockies in the rear, stockies on the front. She's got a sunroof which does need fixing. I think I showed you guys that already. It's got no wing on at the moment, but the rear lights, these are executive lights with the SS garnish, so I've got to change those over. Then we've got the original wing, and then this is the HSV wing, which I'm going to put on it, get painted. I've got a new door because the front driver's door has rust in it. There's a dent right here. I've just seen that as I've walked past it. You're bloody kidding me. There's the sunroof. Here's all my tools. Took the bonnet off to work on it, obviously. Yep, so this is the air intake manifold. Now, obviously she's looking a bit dirty, but when I pulled it off, all of that come out. And that all landed right into here. Here is now bits of hay or grass or whatever you want to call it, all through the engine. So obviously got to get all that out. I do have to steam clean the carpet. HSV. Let's look at sacks. But if we come here into the car, you'll see she's Manny, correct? But gearbox needs a bit of work, because that's if we can sit in here, that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Also, if anybody knows what this is, perchance, that would be lovely to know, as I've got no idea what it is. It says it's made in Russia. Someone let me know what it is. Obviously, engine pieces. Got full service kit. So what's that? That's gear oil. That's your oil filter. That's oil coolant. And right here we have the fresh SS Commodore stickers. And then in this one, it is another set of SS Commodore stickers and new sticker for the boot, as the old one's looking a bit worse for wear. So we're going to do all those, and it's going to look really, really good, hopefully. But that is where I'm going to leave off today's episode. Obviously, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also have found out about 5 minutes ago from Andrew that it is cammed, and it is also going to be my first car and a daily driver. So I'm officially an owner of a Vt Ss 5 litre with a 6-speed manual and a cam and an LSD in the rear. Aftermarket exhaust. It's going to be loud. It's going to be fast-ish for a 5 litre. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.